A few months ago, Seiko invited us to the Michin Aquarium to celebrate its 100 years as a brand. While at the aquarium, I was talking to the people from Seiko. They told me that the Save the Ocean initiative provided funding for the conservation of endangered species. And it was at that moment that I decided to start a collection of some of these watches. And since it's the last month of the year, it's time to make a video about my collection. You know, we only do it once a year. So this is part 1, where I will show you all of the Seiko Save the Ocean watches that are part of my collection. Before I start, I will say something that I've said a lot of times. Seiko has the best styles on the market. And if you don't believe me right now, you will surely do after you see the watches I'm going to show you today. The first watch to arrive was the Penguin footprint version. This watch comes in the tuna configuration, which is named for the shape of its case that looks like a can of tuna. This watch has Arctic themes, and on the dial you can clearly appreciate the texture of snow with the footprints of the penguins. I probably don't need to mention it, but the level of texture and depth these dials have is spectacular, and the attention to detail is magnificent. You can literally hear the crunch of the snow as that penguin walks. You see? The second watch I found was this Samurai in the black Mantay version. Without a doubt, I believe this is one of the most famous versions of the Save the Ocean watches. On the dial, we can see the waves of the sea with an unmatched texture. And depending on the angle, you see the watch manta rays appear and disappear against the dark sea. The level of texture is impressive, and you can literally see the ocean through this watch dial. The third version I got was the penguins again, but this time they are swimming. Once again, Seiko, with the brush strokes on this dial, achieves unparalleled texture. The dial is a bluish green that takes us to those cold waters where penguins are born and learn to swim. This watch comes in the monster configuration. And although it has a slightly dark dial, the brightness shines through the penguins, revealing their true color through that water texture. And for me, it's amazing how Seiko can convey the essence of the ocean through something immobile like the dial of a watch. It's ridiculous. The fourth one that arrived was this turtle, which accurately represents the texture of some turtle shells on its dial. The color of this watch is spectacular because it's an aqua green that combines with a green strap, and the texture, like all the others I've presented, is impressive. There are 3 versions of this model: the aqua green, the blue, and the orange brown one, which represent different turtles and show how their shells change depending on the salinity of the water and their age. It's a watch that has incredible depth. And the last one I got is another Samurai, but this one is the blue Manta Ray, which is practically the same as the black manta, but with a much shinier and brighter dial that hides and reveals the same manta rays. And I hope the texture of this watch can be conveyed through the camera, because in person it's amazing. It truly feels like you have the ocean inside your watch, and you can hear the waves and feel the ocean breeze, and you can see these animals literally passing inside the watch. Without a doubt, these are the watches that made me fall in love with this Japanese brand, because they have incredible depth, and there is no other brand that makes something like what Seiko does. What I enjoyed the most about this collection was the search for these watches, because honestly, the journey was the fun part. And fortunately, it's a journey that, at least for now, has no end, as every year new versions of these watches are released. What I like the most is that they are watches of impressive quality with magnificent attention to detail and spectacular dials. But the best part is that their prices are not out of this world, so I don't have to think twice about getting them or buying them when I see them. I see them, I buy it, that's it. And I think that's the point of collecting watches for me: to collect what you like, and above all, collect something that makes you feel something. And without a doubt, these watches convey many things to me. This was the first part of my collection, and soon the second part with the other watches will come. I wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you next time.